I'm going to show you how we did our subway tile backsplash. Again, peel and stick. It is amazing. So you're going to begin with the same thing, just making sure you're wiping down really well wherever you're going to be placing those tiles, taking off any cover plates. So for your first tile piece, as you can see, it doesn't line up perfectly with the wall. So super easy, you're just going to cut it so that it's flush with the wall. Now just peel off the back and line it up perfect. And you're just gonna stick it on. Now when you get to where an electrical outlet is, you're just going to measure from a little bit outside of where that socket is and then line it up with wherever it's going to be in the back of your tile. And then you're just going to draw it out and then cut it out so that it'll fit perfectly over that electrical outlet. Then just continue peeling and sticking them, and just be careful that you're not overlapping the new tile with the previous tile, otherwise it'll kind of stick up and not stick as well, but just making sure it's lined up perfectly. And that is it, guys. I hope that you enjoyed watching this video and that you found it to be helpful if this is something that you're wanting to do with your kitchen, especially for how awesome this looks and considering how inexpensive, easy, and the fact that it is renter friendly.